Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we have an electrifying topic to delve into: electric cars. We're going to peel back the layers and uncover the real truths behind these innovative vehicles. So, buckle up and let's jump right in. Environmental impact. Let's kick things off with a myth that has been circulating: the supposed lack of environmental benefits of electric cars. Some skeptics argue that since electric cars need electricity to charge, they're not truly clean. However, this is far from the truth. Electric cars are, in fact, significantly more eco-friendly than their gasoline counterparts. They produce zero tailpipe emissions, which means no harmful pollutants or greenhouse gases are released directly into the air. By choosing an electric car, you're making a positive contribution towards cleaner air and a healthier planet. Range anxiety. Range anxiety, a term that's thrown around when discussing electric vehicles. It refers to the fear of running out of battery power before reaching your destination. But let me assure you, this concern is rapidly becoming a thing of the past. The development of battery technology has led to impressive advancements in electric car ranges. Many modern electric cars can travel well over 200 miles on a single charge, making them suitable for daily commutes and even long road trips. Additionally, the charging infrastructure is expanding exponentially, with more charging stations being installed along highways and in urban areas. With this growth, the fear of running out of juice is becoming less and less relevant. Charging infrastructure. Now, you might be wondering about the availability of charging stations. It's true that a lack of charging infrastructure was a concern in the early days of electric cars. However, the situation has evolved dramatically. Public charging stations are becoming commonplace, with cities, states, and even private companies investing in their expansion. You can now find charging stations in shopping centers, parking lots, and even at your workplace. And if you have a garage, you can conveniently charge your EV at home using a standard wall outlet, or by installing a faster charging unit for quicker top-ups. Now let's shift our focus to the exhilarating performance of electric cars. There's a common misconception that electric vehicles are slow and lack the excitement of traditional gasoline-powered cars. Well, I'm here to tell you that this couldn't be further from the truth. Electric cars offer instant torque, which means the acceleration is not only quick, but also consistent across different speeds. This translates to impressive acceleration off the line, giving you that zoom factor you might have never associated with electric cars. So, if you have a need for speed, electric vehicles are more than up to the task. Total cost of ownership. Money matters, and that brings us to the myth surrounding the cost of electric cars. While it's true that the initial purchase price of an electric vehicle might be higher compared to a gasoline car, the total cost of ownership can often tell a different story. Electric cars have fewer moving parts than internal combustion engine vehicles, which translates to lower maintenance costs over time. Think about it: no oil changes, no transmission repairs. Additionally, government incentives and rebates are often available to offset the upfront cost. With advancements in battery technology and production processes, we're seeing a gradual decrease in battery costs, further narrowing the gap. Battery life and recycling. A frequently raised concern is the lifespan of electric car batteries, and what happens to them after they're no longer suitable for use in vehicles. Let's clarify. While it's true that batteries degrade over time, manufacturers typically offer warranties that guarantee a certain level of battery performance for many years. Moreover, ongoing research and development are improving battery durability. As for the end of their useful life, recycling programs for batteries are being refined. These programs ensure that the valuable materials within the batteries are extracted and reused, minimizing environmental impact. Lastly, let's end the misconception that electric cars are simply shifting pollution from tailpipes to power plants. It's important to consider the source of electricity used to charge these vehicles. While some regions still rely heavily on fossil fuels for electricity generation, the shift towards renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power is rapidly increasing. As the grid becomes greener, the environmental benefits of driving electric cars also increase. And there you have it, folks, the truth about electric cars, untangled from the web of myths. From their undeniable positive impact on the environment to their impressive performance and growing charging infrastructure, electric vehicles are here to stay and reshape the automotive landscape. So, if you're considering making the switch, remember that you're not just adopting a new mode of transportation, you're contributing to a cleaner, more sustainable future. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on more eco content. Until next time.